Sound stock is approaching a key level around 853, and this level could trigger the next move. Recently, price has shown a strong bounce from the 730 area, followed by a sharp bullish move and now slight consolidation just above $8 after a quick rejection. The immediate resistance is 853. On the downside, support sits at 793 and then 730, which acted as a strong base. If Sound breaks above 853 and holds with a strong daily close, we could see a move toward $9. If you want my structured daily execution plan before market open, it is available inside Patreon, link in the description.